stormy conditions, but hey, we're fishing. We got a couple of strikes out here already. It's insane if you can see it. Oh yeah. Yeah, you barely can see anything right now, so. Oh! It's raining, my friends. Woo! Hey, Jamar, try come over here. Try cast on this side. Ah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I believe this might be Hauula. I gotta double check on the GPS. I don't know if water is going in here, but looks all right. Dude. Bruh, I think you can get a couple of strikes on this side. Hey, try go to the edge over there. Try go to the edge and then gun them inside. Let's see what get inside. Huh? Bro, get stuff in here. Wow. My back is like wet, dude. Like, yeah. They may call us crazy, but we're the only ones out here fishing. I'm surprised you never get another strike on that side there. No, just cast on this side. This is the calm side. Should have over here. But go to the edge though, and then just gun them in. Oh, nice this water. Shoots right there. Jeez, that's pretty far. Yeah, like on 75-yard cast. Da 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 da. Look at these two. Oh man, my back is wet. Huh? This is crazy. I don't know how far you can go with just doing this kind of extreme. Sun, rain, wind, night, calm, whatever. We'll do it and we'll catch something. Huh? She is? She's wearing like 2 sweaters. Joshua should be freezing. I'm like wearing 2 shirts and I'm freezing. Bro, you didn't cast that far, you're still reeling in. Oh my gosh. Ah, insane. Are you serious? Is it bad? Well, it looks like it's not even preventing anything. Bro, that's a mean 75-yard cast. Sheesh. Just one, baby. Just one. But for some reason, just like get in there, you know. You know the part that you lost one. That. Oh yeah, man. Allah. In there cross cast you. Yeah.